There is a question about whether the details will also address admissions into particular programs at that institution. So you would have perhaps maybe an earmark for certain slots for a law program or for nursing and others.
That was Alabama Commission on Higher Education Executive Director explaining how the recent Supreme Court ruling could affect North Alabama universities. Earlier today, the United States Supreme Court ruling against affirmative action programs at Harvard and the University of North Carolina.
That decision affecting university admission decisions is expected to apply to higher education institutions across the country. Now,
News 19's Alexa Harley joins us now in the studio with more on the ruling and how its impact could be felt here in Alabama.
Yes, Christine, the Supreme Court ruled on Thursday that race-conscious admission policies, specifically at Harvard and UNC, were in violation of the Constitution. The lawsuit was brought by Asian American students who argued admissions policies favored students of other races at their expense. Court's majority agreed, saying eliminating racial discrimination means eliminating all of it. The court decided 6-3 and 6-2 in both cases, specifically citing that the current admission programs were in violation of the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. As for how this ruling will affect public institutions in Alabama, Jim Purcell, executive director of the Alabama Commission on Higher Education, says the ruling could affect minority-focused programs in the state.
There is a question about whether the details will also address admissions into particular programs at that institution. So you would have perhaps maybe an earmark for certain slots for a law program or for nursing and others. In addition, the state of Alabama has provided some aid to address programs which perhaps have lower enrollment of minorities than would be expected. And so we would actually, the admission process is not impacted, but we do provide minority scholarships for particular programs.
And I will have more for you from Jim Purcell, who discussed current programs in North Alabama, coming up at 5.